I can give you a live look right now from Galveston, Texas, where Hurricane Harvey continues to make its way towards the coast, expected to make landfall overnight. Businesses and homes are being boarded up. People are leaving now after a mandatory evacuations were issued.
The National Hurricane Center says Harvey has maximum winds right now of 105 miles per hour. The storm could also hurt the gas supply, so what you pay at the pump may be going up.
We could see the worst environmental disaster in United States history and would probably shut down and cause a major gap in gasoline.
Some parts of Texas may see as much as 3 feet of rain, and the governor has already declared a disaster in 30 counties. Harvey looks to be the most powerful hurricane to make landfall in the U.S. since 2005.
Wrecking over